I have a small family.
I have a big family.
I have one brother.
I have one sister.
I have two sisters.
I have two brothers.
I have three children.
I have a son.
I have a daughter.
I have a husband.
I have a wife.
I live with my family.
I live with my parents.
I live with my brother.
I live with my sister.
I live with my partner.
I live alone.
My family lives nearby.
My parents live in another city.
My brother lives abroad.
My sister lives in Dublin.
My parents are retired.
My father works in an office.
My mother works in a school.
My brother is a student.
My sister is a teacher.
My son goes to school.
My daughter studies at university.
My family is very important to me.
I love spending time with my family.
Do you have a big family?
Do you have any brothers?
Do you have any sisters?
How many brothers do you have?
How many sisters do you have?
Do you have children?
Do you have a son?
Do you have a daughter?
Do you live with your family?
Do you live alone?
Where does your family live?
Where do your parents live?
What does your father do?
What does your mother do?
What does your brother do?
What does your sister do?
Do you see your family often?
Do you visit your parents often?
Do you spend time with your family?
Is family important to you?
Do you have a big family?
Yes, I have a big family.
Do you have any brothers?
Yes, I have two brothers.
Do you have any sisters?
Yes, one sister.
How many brothers do you have?
I have two brothers.
How many sisters do you have?
I have one sister.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have 2 children.
Do you have a son?
Yes, 1 son.
Do you have a daughter?
Yes, 1 daughter.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my partner.
Where does your family live?
They live in Kiev.
Where do your parents live?
They live in another city.
What does your father do?
He works as an engineer.
What does your mother do?
She is a teacher.
What does your brother do?
He studies at university.
What does your sister do?
She works in a hospital.
Do you see your family often?
Yes, very often.
Do you visit your parents often?
Yes, every month.
Do you spend time with your family?
Yes, whenever I can.
Is family important to you?
Yes, very important.
Do you call your parents often?
Yes, every week.
Do you live near your family?
Yes, quite close.
Do you have family abroad?
Yes, my brother lives abroad.
Do you enjoy family gatherings?
Yes, I really do.
That's all for now. Good job.
That's all for now. Good job.